Okay, so it is time to pick up where we left off, which is this section over here. Got a bunch built. Well, it's time to move on to section 2. So I want to do a teeter-totter right there. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do coming off of here yet. We'll get that as we go. And I also want to start on this back corner, kind of heading back that way. So stay tuned for that. I'll do some picture updates like last time, and at the end of it, we'll run the truck. Alright, so check it out. Even by itself, it's not horribly balanced. It doesn't go real fast to one way or the other. So my plan was to take said clamp and put it on the side you want to start from, and it'll stay down on that side. Move it over here. And now we can move from side to side. And let me back up a little bit and give you a better idea of how high this ramp actually is. So this is a pretty significantly sized teeter-totter for mid-course. I'm going to have to make sure the next level's up high enough to accommodate truck height. Okay, I think that is going to wrap up part 2 of the rebuild. I am running out of materials. I was just able to finish this up over here. I use that expanded metal. That ought to be an interesting little challenge. We got that going up. You can see as we get more on the side, it's pretty steep. Got the teeter-totter, and then come up from the rocks here, up this ramp. One wheel on the wire, one wheel on the obstacles, up and over this, and around. And we'll also go the other way. But I'm going to get the Vanquish out and give it a run. Okay, let's see if it does it. This is the part I'm excited about. I've been wanting to put one of these cables in for a while. Figure watch the tires on the cable and let the other side do what it does. Oh no. Can it get back up on there? Oh, look at that. It got back up on it. Oh, cool. All right, let me get repositioned for this. All right, Trying to still learn. I'm gonna have to learn the best filming angles for this course. This is another feature I've always wanted. I guess I punched the throttle a little too hard backwards there. That's gonna take some getting used to. All right, let's get it turned around and go the other way. Unfortunately, my shadow's kind of in the way, but that'll be all right. That's good. I was hoping it offered a little bit of resistance trying to get up on there. Alright, I'm going to get repositioned so I can get a good shot of this. I think this is definitely going to be one of the spots that gives some of the trucks some real hassle. I think it felt easier going up. That is definitely challenging. And just because we're already out here, let's try this rock pile that I did the last section. Well, everybody, I think that is going to do it for section 2 of the course rebuild. And you know, much like the Death Star, it may not be complete, but it's fully operational. So now I can resume doing crawler videos out here and build along as I go and just have a good time with it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. I know I did. Have a great day, and I hope to catch you on the next video.